Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Ahmad Firdaus bin Ahmad Sarip. My matrix number is 2023825994. I'm from CDCS 1104B classes. Today, I would like to talk about my mobile application that is named Convergent. Convergent is a habit tracker app designed with strict functionality and to-do list. My tagline for this app is align your action and achieve your goal. This app is created using React Native and the database using Firebase. Now, let's take a look about its functionality. So first, as a new user, we have to register for our account. So for example, the new user is called Adam. So username we put Adam. Email we can put the actual email like adam45@gmail.com. So the password we can put 12345 6. Bear in mind that the minimum password requirement is more than 6 characters because in order to secure your account. So we put the confirm password as the same as this password before, and once you have that fulfilled, then you can sign up. Then you can see account registration is successful. Your account has been created. So we click OK. Then we immediately go into our account. We don't have to log in back. So now here are the home screen. Home screen. The function of home screen is to show the current habit that you have. As a user, we don't have a new habit yet. So to add new habit, we just click the add button over here. We click that and habit name. Let's say for example, I want to make reading as a habit, so I put reading. The frequency, you can adjust the frequency. You can set it to daily, you can set it to weekly, or you can set it to every X amount of days. So for example, if I want to put every X amount of days, so I can put the days that I want to do the habit. So let's say each 2 days. So as you can see, I have a habit reading frequency is every 2 days. So let's save habit. Then you will say habit is saved and the reading has been added to your list. Now the habit will be stored in the database, which is the Firebase. As you can see, at the home screen we have reading habit. So let's say I done my habit and I want to tick on it. So you have this circle here and you can just click on it and it will appear a streak, which is 1 day, and the habit will be grayed out. You have to wait until 2 days until the readings to be able to click again. So how about I want to play some games as a habit. Now let's set it to daily. Now we say habit. As you can see, the habit is now saved. And let's say I already done play the game, so let's click on it. So now the checklist is green, as you can see. And let's say I don't want to make that as a habit anymore, so I can just delete it. It will appear a confirmation button that will say remove. This will remove all its log history, habit log history, and this action cannot be undone. So let's say I want to just delete, so I click delete, and there you go. Habit play a game and the history has been deleted. Now let's go to the other tab, which is the calendar function. Now the calendar will show each month. As you can see, you can go August, July, June. You can go backward, you can go forward. You can check. The function of the calendar is for checking the history of your habit. So let's say here 30/6/2025, one habit is completed, which is the reading habit. Normally this habit you had done completely will change the circle into green, but we see it on the next day. Now let's go to the my task. This my task is only for one of tasks, which is not reoccurring. So let's say my father asked me to help him cleaning the car, and we just click the add button, and there you go. Now if I already finished cleaning the car, I can just click on the checklist and it will cross the task. If I want to clear up clutter, I can just delete the task and it will be automatically deleted from the database. That's all for the habit task. I don't think there's more. Now let's take a look at the profile button. Now at this profile button, you can click on at the home screen, which has the user and the gears icon. You can click on it, and here is the profile button. So you can see the information and support for the app. We have about app, we show the description of the app, terms and condition. You can also see privacy and policy that we use to handle your data, and also we can send feedbacks. The feedbacks will go to your Gmail account. Let's wait a moment here. I can show it, but it will go to your Gmail app and will open a feedback that you can send to the me, the developer. Now let's take a look at the edit profile information. You can change your display name, your picture, and if you want to change your password, you can. It's up to you. Let's say I want to change my real name to my username, which is, for example, Apple, for example. You can also change the picture. We can choose the picture what you want. Let's look at this. We crop that, and here you go. You can change the picture. I don't think we need to change the password, so let's change this. Let's save the change, and upon completion, it will show up as success. Your profile has been successfully updated. We click OK, and we go back to our app, and we click again. Then there you go. We have our picture and our username. So let's say I want to log out. You can click here and you can log out of the app. There you go. You say welcome back, sign in, and to continue. So if I want to sign again, you just enter your email, and your password before 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you log in. There you go. Easy as that.